Hey, Abby.
Well, hello there.
How very Obi-Wan Kenobi of you. So tell me, what are we going to play today?
I think Halo Combat Evolved would be fitting for our first video, right?
Absolutely. So why Halo?
Well, Halo's been praised as one of the greatest video games of all time. As of this recording, it holds a 97 on Metacritic and is generally in the top 20 games of all time, according to everyone who's ever put one of those lists together, like Watch Mojo.
Oh, one of those top 10
Yeah.
all-time faves? You know, I remember all the marketing for games that followed Halo saying, this game is a real Halo killer. But ultimately, they just became Halo clones at best. Halo pretty much set the bar for every game that followed.
Exactly.
Here's a little trivia for you. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me, what was the original working title for Halo?
Angel.
You know, that one sure would have been a lot better. Actually, it was Monkey Nuts.
Stop.
Know, right? But Halo's project lead, Jason Jones, couldn't bring himself to tell his mother that.
I wouldn't either.
So they renamed the game to Blam! Days before the 1999 Macworld announcement, Blam still didn't have a permanent title.
Mm-hmm.
Bungie was considering names like, get a load of this, number 1, the Santa Machine.
No.
I'm serious. Solipsis.
Okay.
How about the Crystal Palace?
That Barbie movie I watched.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Hard Vacuum. That's pretty much Dead Space kind of vibe, you know?
Yeah.
Star Maker. And even, I think this one would have really gone over well, especially if they had a comic book. Star Shield.
I agree with that.
She'd have been cute.
Stop.
All right, so, do you like any of those?
No.
Yeah, well, neither did Bungie. So they hired a branding firm that came up with the name Covenant.
Ooh.
Meanwhile, Bungie's artist Paul Russell suggested a few alternatives, including, here you go, Halo.
Nice.
Of that title, designer Marcus Leto said, it described enough about what our intent was for this universe in a way that created this sense of mystery. And so, on July 21st, 1999, during the Macworld Conference and Expo, Steve Jobs announced that Halo would be released for Mac OS and Windows simultaneously.
The guy from Apple?
Exactly.
How did it end up on Xbox then?
Well, let's talk about that one later. So for the moment, we'll just tuck it away. Meanwhile, my young Padawan, let's get into the game.
Okay then. Well, before that, we have a couple PSAs.
Absolutely. Like, Halo's rated M for mature due to the graphic depiction of violence, war, and foul language. So, mature audiences only, parental discretion is advised.
And we're not professional gamers.
I think that's going to become evident very quickly.
Rude.
Well, I'm sorry you're offended.
I am offended.
Well, I'm offended that you're offended.
Stop.
But remember, we created this channel not because we're pros, but because we wanted just to show off some of our favorite games for your enjoyment.
Especially right now when things are so crazy in the world. Everyone is just kind of stuck in their houses watching the clock tick away the seconds.
And while you're stuck in your house, I'm hoping you're staying safe. So, grab your popcorn, settle back on the couch, and come along with us as we present our playthrough of Microsoft's Halo Combat Evolved Anniversary Edition. And by the way, if you enjoyed this video, would you give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel? We'd really appreciate it. In the meantime, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Abbie.
And this is DNA Plays Halo. All right, you in?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're going to start with the Pillar of Autumn. Let's just play it on normal.
Okay, what are our schools?
Right now, skulls are... We'll take off infinite ammo.
Oh, yeah.
I'll leave on grunt headshots. Do you want grunts dying a blaze of glory?
I think that would be fun. I love it when it happens.
All right. And punching enemies makes them drop grenades?
Yes, the pinata.
All right. I don't want to increase the radius. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so those are the 3 skulls I got on. Let's start with Pillar of Autumn.
Cortana, all I need to know is, did we lose them?
I think we both know the answer to that.
We made a blind jump. How did they...
Get here first? The Covenant ships have always been faster. As for tracking us all the way from Reach, at light speed my maneuvering options were limited.
We were running dark, yes?
Until we decelerated, no one could have missed the hole we tore in subspace. They were waiting for us on the far side of the planet.
So, where do we stand?
Our fighters are mopping up the last of their recon picket now, nothing serious. But I've isolated approach signatures for multiple CCS-class battle groups. Make it 3 capital ships per group. And in about 90 seconds, they'll be all over us.
Well, that's it then. Bring the ship back up to Combat Alert Alpha. I want everyone at their stations.
Everyone, sir?
Everyone. And Cortana.
Hmm?
Let's give our old friends a warm welcome.
I've already begun.
Attention, all combat personnel. Please report to your action stations. Fifth platoon, secure airlocks on deck 11. 14th platoon, rendezvous with 22nd Tactical at bulkhead Charlie 14.
You heard the lady. Move like you got a purpose.
This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill.
Once again, it is our job to finish what the flyboys started. We are leaving this ship platoon and engaging the Covenant on solid ground. When we meet the enemy, we will rip their skulls from their spines and toss them away, laughing. Am I right, Marines?
Sir, yes, sir!
Damn right I am. Now move it out. Double time.
Attention all personnel. We are re-engaging the enemy. External and internal contact imminent.
All you greenhorns who wanted to see Covenant up close, this is gonna be your lucky day.
Sir? Right. Let's thaw him out. Okay. Bringing low-level systems online. Cracking the case in 30 seconds. He's hot! Blowing the pins in 5. Come on, we got to get the hell out of here.
Positions Alpha through Sierra. Sensors show inbound
Hey,
boarding craft.
you look good.
Stand by to repel boarders.
Oh, well, thank you.
Poor dude. You know, you'd think as many times as we played, he's finally figured it out, but oh well.
Yeah, true. You know, when I first played this, I got stuck and I couldn't find the pipe. I had no clue where to go. Nice.
Hey! Okay. I got lost. Where am I?
Come on. It's not that hard to figure out where to go.
Boo, 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 pew, 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 pew. Okay. Pew, 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 pew. Whoop.
I think we have to follow him.
I think we do too. All right, people, at ease.
Captain Keyes.
Good to see you, Master Chief. Things aren't going well. Cortana did her best, but we never really had a chance.
A dozen Covenant superior battleships against a single Halcyon-class cruiser. With those odds, I'm content with 3, make that 4 kills. Sleep well?
No thanks to your driving, yes.
So you did miss me.
Report.
It must have been one of their boarding parties. I'd guess an antimatter charge.
Ma'am! Fire control for the main cannon is offline!
Captain, the cannon was my last offensive option.
All right, then. I'm initiating Cold Protocol Article 2. We're abandoning the Autumn. That means you too, Cortana.
While you do what? Go down with the ship?
In a manner of speaking. The object we found, I'm gonna try and land the Autumn on it.
With all due respect, sir, this war has enough dead heroes.
I appreciate your concern, Cortana, but it's not up to me. Protocol is clear. Destruction or capture of a shipboard AI is absolutely unacceptable, and that means you're leaving ship. Lock in a selection of emergency landing zones, upload them to my neural lace, and then sort yourself for a heart transfer.
Aye, aye, sir.
Which is where you come in, Chief. Get Cortana off this ship. Keep her safe from the enemy. If they capture her, they'll learn everything. Force deployment, weapons research, Earth.
I understand.
The Autumn will continue evasive maneuvers until you initiate a landing sequence. Not that you'll listen, but I'd suggest letting my subroutines handle the final approach.
Excellent work, Cortana. Thank you. Are you ready?
Yank me.
Good luck, Master Chief.
Your architecture isn't much different from the Autumn's.
Don't get any funny ideas.
I don't keep it loaded, so you'll have to find ammo as you go.
Wait, I want one. Why'd he give it to you? Why not me?
Maybe because I was closest.
Yeah, that's probably true. Ah! Alright.
Oh, I forgot they blew up for a minute.
Those Marines could use some help, Chief. Do what you do best.
Oh,
I just
that's
tried
our
to
guy.
duck behind cover.
Because we were playing Gears of War.
Yeah, and I also tried to hit the bonus when you reload.
Oh, this is going to be so much fun.
I figured out where to go.
I'm following all the grunts. Oh, I can't remember.
Okay.
There it goes. I couldn't remember how to swap out my weapon.
There's 2 of us in here now, remember?
Playing Gears too much.
Yep. Alright, try to turn my flashlight off.
Oh, I just did it too.
Yeah, Gears has got me kind of turned around. Ooh, good hit.
Yeah.
And it runs a lot. Of course, I just stopped, but
Yeah,
it runs so much better than Gears. You know, as far as
it really does.
actual.
It's really smooth.
Yeah, be careful.
Oh my gosh, all the
Yeah.
blowing up.
It's because of all the grunts. Are you sure this was a good idea? I'm
Oh
thinking.
yeah, that's a great idea. We'll get used to it. That's fine.
Oops. Every time I hear a grunt, the first thing I think of is, great, got my own grenade.
Get out of my way.
I don't want to kill him close to me, you know?
Just run.
Yeah, not when I'm stuck in a corridor. Oh no!
Oh, no. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. It's not your fault.
So what? I went to hit him and you hit me? Is that what happened?
Yeah.
I'm like, well, that doesn't seem right. I think I'm going the wrong way. I think I'm backtracking. Nope. Oh, man.
Did he kill you?
Well, yeah, and the grunts took my shields down. No, I don't want this. I don't want the... Oh, crap. That's not right. I'm already
Keep moving my finger to the bumper. Third death of the day.
Crap! I'm not gonna like having grunts as plasma grenades. Bah. Oh no! Now I don't even have a weapon. Oh, there's one. Second one's gonna blow.
Go get you some extra shield.
Oh yeah, thanks. I could probably use that.
Using our lifeboat airlocks to attach their boarding craft. We go out and they come in. Bastards.
Fascinating.
Oh, it's gotta. No, change. Swap.
Are you having some issues there?
Yeah, I was trying to swap up the pistol. I had a plasma rifle and I was trying to swap it for a pistol.
Covenant, on the landing above us.
Okay. Why am I here? I wasn't prepared for that. Why did it drag me back to you? Why didn't it drag
Probably
you?
because I'd gone back. I don't know. Maybe because I'm party leader.
That's dumb.
Don't let him get away!
Oh crap, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I just tried to zoom in.
I'm like, just shoot the grunt.
I'm really,
It'll kill everybody.
I'm really having some issues here.
Let's find him. Want some more?
Oh gosh, really, Dad? That was a crappy throw.
I hate to tell you this, but we don't even have grenades yet.
I have grenades.
Oh, I guess I do have a grenade. Well, I didn't throw a grenade.
All hands, this is the captain. Prepare to abandon ship. Combat teams, repel boarders until obstacles are away.
Hey,
The life pods
where are you guys
launching.
going?
Hurry.
They're apparently leaving us.
The Covenant are destroying the life pods.
No.
Warning, blast doors closing. It's maintenance access ways. Follow the nav point. It will lead you to an opening.
You gonna open it, Cortana? I always get lost in here. Nope. It's the wrong way.
It's like Lost in Space. Wrong show, huh? Where are we going? Dun, 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 dun.
This way?
It's got this alien vibe, you know?
Dad, move.
What?
Go forward.
No, he didn't. Was that you? Did you hit me with a grenade?
I did not shoot you. I just watched you jump. It was so funny.
Really?
Why are you dead yet?
No doubt.
I really want to roll.
Yeah, I know.
It looks like the Covenant wanted to catch you napping.
Hey dudes, what's up? Okay, nice to see you again.
I did stop pressing the D-pad.
Let me tell you, that's what I call going out with a bang.
Get back.
Barbecue grunt, come on. This way? Alright, oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, there's so many.
Oh, all these grunts. Come on, you got this. You got this. Go get him. Go get him. Come on, you got this. Yay! We're cheering for you, Abbie. Come on.
I'm kind of focused, so I didn't know you were talking to me.
The damage
Alright, I'm
to
back.
the superstructure is extensive.
And
Okay.
I don't know how much more abuse the Autumn can take.
of course.
Oh, we got grenades. Okay, let's just bounce back. Get back, get back, get back, get back.
Alright,
Okay.
I'm not liking having this, I hate these.
One last
Plasma
light bulb.
rifles.
Quickly, get aboard before it launches.
Where are we going? I'm lost! Where'd the light go? There it went, okay. Oh. Where'd you go?
Where are you, Dad?
I don't know, I'm lost. I got lost. Alright,
come through the door,
so.
come through the door.
Okay,
Right here.
other way. I went left.
Yeah, I know. Nope. Okay.
Now would be a very good time to leave.
Punch it.
Aye, sir. We're disengaged, going for minimum safe distance.
We're gonna make it, aren't we, sir? I don't want to die out here.
Look!
What is that thing, Lieutenant?
Hell if I know, but we're landing on it.
She's been in!
I knew it. The Autumn's accelerating. Keys is going in manual.
Heads up, everyone, this is it. We're entering the ring's atmosphere in 5.
You sure you wouldn't rather take a seat?
We'll be fine.
If I still had fingers, they'd be crossed.